Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to copy in Sketchup. To begin, select the object you wish to duplicate. Then, activate the Move tool from the toolbar. The key to copying is pressing the Control key or Option key on a Mac just one time after selecting the Move tool. This action toggles the copy mode, allowing you to create duplicates of your selected geometry with ease and precision. Let's walk through the basic steps. First, select the item you want to copy. Next, click on the Move tool. Now here's the crucial part. Press the Control key or Option key for Mac users just one time. You'll see a small plus sign appear next to your cursor. Click to pick up your object, move it to the desired location, and click again to place the copy. It's that simple to create a single duplicate. To create multiple copies, first make one copy using the Move tool and Control key. Before doing anything else, type a number, for example, 5, followed by X or an asterisk, then press Enter. This creates 5 additional copies equally spaced. For distributed copies, type a number like 3, followed by a / or division symbol, then press Enter. This places 3 copies between the original and the first copy. Beyond the Move tool, the Rotate tool also offers copying functionality. Simply select your object, activate the Rotate tool, press the Control key once, and then rotate to create a copy at an angle. Remember, copying components and groups is highly efficient, as changes to one instance can update all others. You can even mirror objects by scaling them by a -1 value. Mastering these techniques will greatly improve your SketchUp workflow.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.